Hello boys, how are you? Good afternoon. Now, this is our topic, same topic that we studied yesterday. Today I will revise only this topic. Okay. Now here, habitats. Habitat. Yesterday I told you a place where the animal live. That is called habitat. Okay. Here main two, land and water. Okay. So many habitat on the land and so many water body also. For example, on the land you can find desert, forest, rainforest, and grassland, and some deep forest. Okay, these are different kinds of places that is on the land. We say all these habitats are called dry place habitats. And then wet place habitats, biggest wet place habitat is ocean. After ocean, sea, river, lake. Okay, all these are wet places where animals live. Now this is about the places where animals live. Okay, main how many? Two, land and water. Land habitat is called dry place and water is called wet place. And wet place again, uh, we divide into different category. For example, ocean, sea, river, lake, pond, all these are called wet habitats. And dry places you can divide it into rainforest, okay, desert, grassland, and arctic. These are different kinds of animal live in different places. Some plants or animal, they have habitat of, for example, desert. Okay, they need less water and they survive. Okay, also they live in desert. And some live in forest or rainforest, and some live in arctic. Arctic is a place where is ice all the time, like polar bear and penguin, they live in ice. Okay, now this is about the habitats. Now boys, I share with you the vocabulary about this unit 1. Okay, measure. This is, we measure the length with scale. This is measure. This is ruler. We measure the length. Mini beast. This is in the soil. This is different kinds of worm. You can see here. And then record. When we record something, then we take pen and notebook. We quickly write. Okay. We go out to recording. Record some animals, where some animal live, which place is good for living. Okay. For recording, we use pen and notebook to note. Litter, this is trash. Sewage, this is dirty water from our house. It is sewage. Protect, we protect us from dangerous things. For example, we protect from rain, storm, and lightning. Okay. Temperature, this is thermometer. We use thermometer to measure the temperature. Wind, this is wind. Rain, this is rain. We finish already, but this is vocabulary for the at the end of the unit. Okay. Here, rain. Then weather. Weather mean different kinds of weather condition. Rainy, snowy. We finish all. Same, this is equal. Same mean two things equal. Sunny, here is, next is sunny. Cloudy, warm, cold, frosty. Snow. Hails, hails are snow also ice, and hail also ice, but size of snow is small and hails big. Extreme, the weather event is so dangerous. And this is forecaster. Forecaster, a person who forecasts the weather. And this is storm. Storm also bad condition of weather, when there is rain and heavy rain, maybe wind, and also hails and snow, like this. Research, a person who research about something. Okay, he go out or he read many books to research about different topic. Okay, boys. Now I show you video about habitats. Okay. Okay, boys. This is our topic. See you later.